Hello guys, and welcome to the next Slayer guide. So after dealing with Calgirian demons yesterday, today we'll be doing much more relaxing and easier Slayer task, and we will be killing some Kelphites for Movran. So for Kelphites I recommend using melee setup, basically Keris, which I'll be discussing more later, in combination with offhand Chaotic Rapier, Bandos set of course for our melee setup, Azalem Surgeon's Ring, Tyranqueer number 4, Desert Amulet 4, Mech Cape, Slayer Helmet and Charming Imp. In my inventory only 15th anniversary cake for some healing, Captain's Log for quick teleports, Magic Notepaper, Spring Cleaner, Herbicide and Seedicide. So you have many options on this task. Movran assigns quite few of them. 247 is not even that much. I got 290 and something like that before. So a lot of people decide to fight bosses on this task, so either Kalphite King, Kalphite Queen or Exile Kalphite Queen. Will be doing something much simpler, and we'll be going first to Exiled Kalphite Hive. In there, along with Kalphite King, Exiled Kalphite Queen, you have some awesome Slayer creatures for this task, and you'll soon find out which. So basically, teleport to Bandit Camp, use that lodestone, and then run to your southeast. So the entrance to the Kalphite lair, Exile Kalphite Hive, is just south of Jaldrocht Pyramid and north of Menaphos. Basically, once you enter, squeeze through this tunnel. If you haven't been here before, you must clear the rubble that is in this tunnel first time you come, and if you haven't cleared it yet, so basically just run to the south, then to the north, and then to the south again. You want to be going to this room with Kalphite Guardians. So on this task we'll be killing Kalphite Guardians and Kalphite Marauders, Exile ones, because they do drop first and foremost damage cheating, which is the way you'll get some money on this task. But other than that, which is more amazing, is that they drop charms between 20 and 30% of the time. So basically Kalphite Marauders, which are the tougher ones, drop Crimson Charms 24 to 26% of the time, and they drop Blue Charms 26 to 28% of the time. So that is simply amazing. And basically, if you need blue charms for Slayer, this is the way to go. They are not tough creatures to kill, as you can see. Marauders attack with magic, and occasionally they can poison you with that attack, but basically it's not anything to be worried about, because that poison damage is quite low. They drop rune items, lots of herbs and seeds, which is why I have Herbicide and Seedicide in my inventory. And they are weak to arrows and Keris. You can get Keris from Contact Quest, and it's quite an amazing item to have for this task, because it has passive effect against Carabs and Kalphites, in which it boosts your accuracy for 15% and 25% when you have Desert Amulet 3 or 4. Other than that, it provides 33.3% more damage, and it has a 5% chance to deal triple damage to these creatures. So yeah, basically you can use Chaotic Rapiers, but if you have Keris, especially with Desert Amulet 3 or 4, use that. Kalphite Guardians attack with melee, they also can poison you, and they are weak to water spells, but basically use Keris on them as well. Experience is not so amazing. Marauders give 880 combat and 240 Slayer experience, Guardians 229 Slayer experience and same combat experience. And yeah, I think that's all for this one. See you guys tomorrow, and as always, enjoy.